Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is my project share for the month of April, and in this video I'm going to be showing you everything I've made this month and sharing some inspiration. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd really love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you enjoyed this video or find it useful, please also remember to hit the thumbs up button. So let me show you what I've been making. The first thing I made were some gift bags for Easter treats. So this is the first one. This is for a lady at my yard to give to her kids. She's got 3 children. So I've used some papers that I've had in my stash for absolutely ages, and I loved them and I've hoarded them, but I was like, I need to use them. So I've used them to create the bag. They're 250 GSM, so they're quite strong. They're a mixture of B&M and The Works. I've used my new squares that I got from the range and I showed in a recent haul, and then I've used the papers to make some rosettes. And then I've won some items from AliExpress which I've used to decorate them. So I think that looks really cute. This was sent to me in Happy Mail, and then this is one of the bargain decoupage kits that I got in The Works last year, and I've made them all up and I am determined to use them and not hoard them. So that is the first bag. I've even put a little button on the back there. I'll just show you inside, because look how big these are inside. You can fit so much in these. They are incredible. The next one was for a little boy, so I've done this one here. This one I did struggle with a little bit. I don't have that much male stuff in my stash. So I've managed to do it, but I would have ideally liked a football decoupage bit here instead of cricket, because I know the little boy likes football, but I'd already used my football one, so what are you going to do? I'm sure cricket will be fine. This I made myself. I tried to copy the ones that had been sent to me in Happy Mail. I did not succeed 100%, but I am fairly happy with it. And then I've just again used some papers that I've had in my stash for absolutely ages. Again, I've put a little button on the back there. Made another rosette. Quite happy with that one. And then we have this one. Now this is for the oldest of the 3 children, so I tried to kind of make it pre-teenish with like this decoupage kit of the dresser. I've tried, I don't know if I've succeeded. I've done rose gold for her name. I went with flamingos because I figured that might appeal to maybe a 12-year-old more than sweets and donuts. I used the other one that had been sent to me in Happy Mail here. I thought that was really sweet, and it is an Easter bag, so I thought I could get away with that. And again, I've put a button on the back. I think that's quite sweet. As a 12-year-old, I think I'd quite like that, so hopefully she will too. Now the thing that kick-started all of these was a bag I made for my niece. Now I'm going to insert a picture of it now because I completely forgot to film it before I gave it to my sister, because I got far too excited with how it came out, and that's probably my favourite one of all. So hopefully you're able to look at a picture right now and you'll see what I'm actually talking about. Next up this month, I had cause to make not only a birthday card for a very special party, but some bunting as well. So let me try and show you the bunting first. It's not all going to fit into shots, so I'll kind of do it like this. This is for, but believe it or not, we're having a birthday party for a horse at the yard. He is turning 21, but he is also terminally ill, so we wanted to make his birthday really special. For his owner, so we're having a little party for him, so I said I would make some bunting. It is both sides, so it reads backwards and frontways, whichever you are. And then I made a card for all of us to sign on behalf of our ponies. So this is an 8x8 card. I have used cottage garden for the grass, because what else are you going to put on a birthday card for a pony other than grass? I have done it eclipse style, so we've got the happy birthday all built up there. His colour scheme for his party is golden yellow, hence we have golden yellow here. And then when you open it up inside, I've done the building blocks style, and I've left it really plain because like there's 37 of us need to sign this card, so we need a lot of room. So I figured both sides of the card and potentially on the back, and that should cover it depending how big people write. But yeah, I'm fairly happy with how that has come out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm quite chuffed with it. I'm hoping everyone will like it. I get that, you know, it's for an animal, but it's a nice keepsake for the owner, so pretty pleased with that one. And then I had to make a pocket letter. So a lady reached out to me after my craft space tour video and asked if I'd do a swap, and I was like, absolutely. So we agreed on a spring theme. So what I've done is I've used these playing cards. These playing cards came from Zelda's house. For those of you that don't know, Zelda was my godmother who sadly died, and I had to clear her house. But I found all these cool playing cards, and I just thought they would be great for pocket letters because I can leave them in the back like this and put my goodies in the back, but you can alter them up. So this is my spring themed pocket letter, and I've already received my swap from the lady concerned. That will be going up soon in a different video, but yeah, this is my attempt at a spring theme pocket letter. So I have used some ephemera that I won from AliExpress, as well as some ephemera that was sent to me in Happy Mail, and I'm really quite pleased with that. I think it looks really, really pretty. I think I might just do something down the side here. I don't like leaving them plain, so I'm going to put something on there, and then I'm going to put that in the post. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, the lady will have received it. So that was for a swap. So I'm just going to skip back to the party for a second that we're having for the pony, because I've made something else. This is actually for the owners. This is for my friends, and I've done it on behalf of everybody at the yard. So I've done it in this really cute box. The box went a little bit wrong, I'll be honest, but I think I've saved it. And then I've not done much to the top. I know my friend likes bling, so I've put some bling on the top. This was actually sent to me. I didn't make this. This will be in a future Happy Mail video. I'm hoping to have it up by the end of next month, but I'll see how things go, so keep an eye out for that. But this was actually sent to me, and then I couldn't resist using this tag. I've had this for quite a while. It was part of my bargain decoupage kits that I got last year, and I've been holding on to it. It does look quite like my dog, I'll be honest, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use that tag for this gift. So inside this box is some tissue paper, which again probably been sent to me in Happy Mail because I do tend to keep that kind of thing. And then I've made this album. So this paper here is Craft Consortium. It's the Ink Drop Oceans paper pad. And then I've used a special memory stamp. I think that was a Helen Griffin journaling one. The ribbon is from Craft Stash. I've had it ages, but it's so pretty. And then these I got off of eBay. These are my friends. Not sure if they'll want to be on camera, but I hold it like that for a second. And then I've used glossy accents on the frame. Then inside, each of these pages takes a 4x6 photo if you put it on kind of that way. And I've also made tags and things. So I've made this pocket with memories with you on there. There's a little tag in there. Then I've done 2 more tags here. In another little pocket we have another space for photos. And we come over here. I've kind of done a special keepsake pocket there. I just put a journaling card in to show that something goes in there, but I figured maybe a rosette or something, I'm not sure. Beautiful, beautiful paper here. Then I've just done a load of journaling ephemera in here, which I figured they might be able to use. And then it's a page for photos. Then they have this page for photos, and then I also made this flip as well, so they've got loads of room for photos there. And then the back 2 pages, again, I've left those that they can just put photos on, so hopefully they will like that. It's gone down quite well with everyone else. I put a little photo on a group we've got going about the party, and everyone really liked it, so fingers crossed when I give it to them they'll love it and use it. So let me show you what else I've made. The next thing I'll show you are some bits I've made for the party that my daughter's going to this month. So she was invited to her first nursery party. It's only her second ever birthday party because unfortunately she was born and then shortly after lockdown happened, so she hasn't had many of these experiences. So I showed you a card last month I'd made for it. I've made a second one because it's 2 children. I've used a Helz Cuppleditch collection, surprise, surprise, but I love it. I think this has come out so cute. So this is the front of the card. Then you open it. This bit pops out. It's got a nice hip hip hooray on there with vellum, and then we can write over here. So I've got to go and write that in a second. And I've also made a couple of little bags to put the presents in. So one's a boy and one's a girl, so I figured we'd use pink for the girl and green for the boy. These papers here are Helz Cuppleditch papers. These are from the Gift of Giving collection. These, again, a little decoupage images that I had from my bargain decoupage kits and I'd made up, and they've just kind of been hanging around, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to put them on the front of the bags because I think they'll look super cute, and I think they've come out really, really well. I did use a die to make the bags. It was a Papercrafts Society one. It was the second Papercrafts Society box, believe it or not. It was a Helen Griffin box. Yeah, love that box. So I've made those for the party, so I can go and put the presents in them now and seal them shut. But I think they're quite cute. Then I have this one here. I made this using the current issue of Creative Stamping magazine. It was really nice. It had this gorgeous embossing folder with it, and I was really excited to use that. I did mean to do a video making some more cards with that set, but I haven't had a chance, and very shortly after this video comes out the new magazine will be out, so I don't know if I'll get around to doing a video on that. But really, really love this. I love the cracked paper. I used a really cheap cardstock to emboss, and I love the white showing through. I think it helps like emphasize it. And then I've just used some butterflies from my stash. They were Happy Mail, stamped hello, and we're good to go. So really quite pleased with that one. Then I made this one here. So this was kind of an idea that popped into my head. Took a while to work out exactly how to do what I wanted to do, but it's come out kind of okay. It does, there's a shaker part in there. So this is using a die by Christina Griffiths that I won about 2 years ago now. I'm so bad. And I hadn't really got around to using it, and I thought, oh, I wonder if I could make a really cool shaker card with it. I think it's come out really, really well. I've also used one of my new stencils on here, and this congratulations was also sent to me, so I'm quite pleased with that. I did use my sparkle inks to paint the roses, but they're not sparkling. That didn't kind of work. So it's not the best card I've ever made. Probably wouldn't make another one like this. I'd probably change it up for next time, but it's pretty. It will do for something. Then, okay, so I had this idea to make a double tent fold, or that's what I'm making. So it basically goes like this. So it that's what it looks like sideways on. I did do a video to go with this. I'll link it in the description box in case you missed it and want to check it out. So this was like my prototype, and again, it's fine. It's not the best card I've ever made. I can't actually use this card. My dad sadly died in 2013 very suddenly, so I don't have a dad to give it to, and John doesn't play computer games, so it's no good for him. So if anybody would actually like this, if you're in the UK, drop me a comment or an email and I will happily send it to you, because I don't like to waste cards and that will go to waste otherwise. But off the back of that, I then made this one here, which I do absolutely love. This is using Spring Celebration, which was a Hunkydory members free gift last year that I had kept hold of. And I think that came out really lovely. I think it's beautiful. And then, because I was so pleased with that, I then did the video and made this one here, which again, I think it came out so well. I'm really, really pleased with it. I think it's really, really pretty. And it's just different ways to use these kits. Also, while we're on the Hunkydory kits, I made this No Dies rocker card this month. I also did a video on this, so I'll link that one as well in the description box in case you want to check it out. I love this. I think it's so cute. I'm going to struggle to give this card away. I love it that much. It does stand up. It does rock. They're so fun. I love making these. So I made that one with the perfect pansies. Then I have made a couple of Christmas cards. So I've only made two. I used Christmas Village, of course. I think they came out quite cute. I tried to do them both the same but different. And I'm reasonably pleased with how they came out. This one is seriously bulky though. I think that's going to have to be a hand-given card. This one, not so bulky, but if I'm honest, I'll probably try and keep that as a hand-given card. But I'm quite pleased with those, and it used up a bit more of my precious Christmas Village paper pad. And then I made these. So these are actually going to be featuring in an upcoming video, because I did make these and then decide that actually they were quite a nice inspiration for others, so I show how I made them. So that will be coming up in the next week or two. I have used a stamp from the Circus collection, which is a Craft Consortium collection, and it's beautiful, but I haven't used the stamps that much, so I thought I would have a play and see what I could do, and I came up with these really nice clean and simple cards, and I think they look so cute. So if you would like to know how they were made, keep it on the channel, because that will be coming up very, very soon. And apart from that, this month I have been working my little socks off making samples for a new collection from Craft Consortium, which will be launching early May. It's absolutely beautiful. You may well have had the sneak peek email from them, because I know that's gone out. Oh my word, I am so obsessed with this collection. I cannot stop using it. I can't show you what I've made just yet, but that will be in next month's project share, so keep an eye out, because I really think a lot of you are going to love that collection. So I really hope you have enjoyed seeing what I've made today. Let me know in comments if there's a particular favourite item that you have from what I've shown, or if there's a card you want to try. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world that people stop by and watch my videos. If you have any video requests that you'd like to see done on the channel, drop me a message, drop me a comment, and I will do my best to get those done for you. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, thank you so much once again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.